Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you had a fabulous Thanksgiving and that you got to try my delicious recipe for all of your turkey leftovers. In case you missed it, we made a curried turkey pot pie, and you can check that episode out right here. We are now getting ready for the festive holiday season, and to kick it off, we're going to be making a delicious gingerbread bundt cake. For that, you will need the following ingredients: half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar packed, 1 large egg, 1 cup of unsulfured molasses, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of hot water, and some powdered sugar for dusting. Our first step is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, you're going to combine your butter and your sugar. Use an electric hand mixer on medium speed to mix well until the mixture is pale and very well combined. Add in your egg, molasses, and vanilla extract. Again, you're going to mix it well with your hand mixer. In a medium bowl, you're going to stir together your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and salt. Mix really well. Slowly add your dry mixture into the wet mixture. Use your hand mixer to stir and mix everything together. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Once all of your dry ingredients have been incorporated, slowly add in your hot water, again using your hand mixer to mix really well. Pour your cake batter into your bundt pan. Make sure that your bundt pan has been well sprayed with baker's spray to make sure that your cake batter doesn't stick to the sides of your pan. After that, gently tap your bundt pan on your countertop to release any air bubbles, then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your cake in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your cake to cool in the bundt pan for 15 minutes, then invert it on a wire rack, remove the pan, and allow your cake to cool completely. And with that, our gingerbread bundt cake is done. You can see that instead of a traditional round bundt pan, I did have this really adorable gingerbread house pan from Nordic Ware that's fabulous and adorable and was really perfect for this recipe because gingerbread house, gingerbread cake, it couldn't be better. I also love, especially with this cake pan, the powdered sugar kind of looks like snow and it's just too sweet to resist. Then you can also see that I have mine here on a really festive serving tray or serving platter. You can keep yours on a cutting board if it's easier to cut and serve that way. If you also have a festive platter, I encourage you to use yours as well. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious gingerbread bundt cake. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. You can also visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other festive recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.